Alright, so welcome once again to my channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design a crankshaft in AutoCAD. So you can see I have one right here. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on how I designed this using different AutoCAD commands. Okay, so here is a flange and here is the counterweight. So I'm going to start the drawing first by designing the counterweight. So let me show you the specifications of the counterweight. So here is the specification of the counterweight. So without wasting much time, I'm going to start the design of this crankshaft all afresh using these specifications for the counterweight. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so here is a new page. Now, here I'll have to set my workspace to 3D modeling. So you can come down to the status bar, click on this star icon and choose 3D modeling. And also set the view to front. So click here and choose front. Okay, so here is a 2D drawing of the counterweight. Now here I have two circles. One is of radius 100 and this is of radius 60, and the center distance between them is 160. That is, from here to here is 160. So I have to start now with the line command and draw a line vertically of 160. So come over to the draw command, click on line and draw a vertical line of 160 and check the auto mode to keep the line vertical. So enter 160. Okay. Now draw a circle of radius 100 at the end of this line. So click on the circle command now and choose center radius. Draw a circle of radius 100 from this point. Enter 100. Now here's another circle of radius 60. So click on the circle command again and draw a circle of radius 60. Okay, so I have to create this arc here and the radius is 100. So I will use the circle command to do that. So come to the draw panel again, click on the arrow beside the circle icon. This time choose turn radius. Now I'll have to draw a circle that is tangential to these two circles with a radius of 100. So click on this circle, click on the second circle and enter a radius of 100. Okay, so I will now trim off a portion of this very circle. So come to the modify panel, click trim and trim out this. Okay. Now use the mirror command to mirror this arc this other side. So click on modify, click on mirror, click on this arc, it's here at the center and mirror to the left. Okay. Now I'll have to draw a line. Click on line command and draw a line from the quadrant point of this circle to touch this other quadrant point. Okay. Right, now the gap between this center to the end of this circle is 70. So I'm going to move this line upward by 70. So click on the move command, click on this line, enter, and push it up by 70. Okay. Now I'll have to create this curve here. This is an arc. Now we use the ellipse command to do that. So come to the draw panel and click on ellipse. Now click at the center of this circle, click at the quadrant point of it and end it up here. Okay, so now I'll use the trim command to trim up some portions here. Okay, so now click on the trim command and trim out this and this. Now trim out these ones. Now remove this. Okay. Also trim out this. Okay, so now use the join command to join them up. So click on the modify panel and click on join. Then join all these ones up. Okay, so I will now extend this line to touch this arc and also extend this to touch this period portion. So come to the modify panel and click on the arrow beside the trim command and click on extend. Then click on this line, also click on this side. Okay, so I'll now draw a circle at the center of this line. Draw a circle of radius 40 and another of radius 45. So click on the circle command, click on this arrow and choose center radius. Now click at the center of this line and draw a circle of radius 40. Draw another circle of radius 45 and right click and choose repeat circle. Hit the center and enter 45. Okay, so I will draw another circle of radius 35 at the center of this line and move it up by 90. This is from here to here. So draw another circle, click on center radius, draw another circle here of radius 35 and move it up by 90. That is from here to here. Use this. Now click on the move command, move the circle up by 90. Okay, and draw another circle again of radius 40. Click on circle command, draw another circle at the center of this circle of 40 radius. Okay, now I'm going to mirror this one down. So come over here, click on mirror command and mirror these two circles from the center and move it down. Okay, now I can now clean up these circles and this line. I wouldn't need them anymore. So highlight these two and erase them. Alright. Okay, so I will now switch the view to Southeast Isometric. So come to the view panel, click and choose Southeast Isometric. Okay. Also switch this one to Isometric view as well. Okay. Okay, so the thickness of this counterweight is 30. So I'm going to press pull this out to 30. So come to the modeling panel, click on the press pull command and press pull this to a distance of 30. Okay. Also copy these circles out to a distance of 30. So click on the copy command and copy these circles to a distance of 30. Alright. Let's do this command. Okay, so I'm going to extrude this circle out to a distance of 70. So click on the press pull command and click on this circle and press pull out to a distance of 70. Okay. Also copy this circle, click on the copy command, click on this and copy from the center and drop it at the center of this one. Okay. So again, I'm going to press pull this out to a distance of 10 and also this to a distance of 10. So click on the press pull command, click on this, enter 10. So click on this and pull this way, enter 10. Alright, and let's do this command. So I'm going to copy this out. So click on the copy command and copy this out. Okay. So again, with the Presspull command, I'm going to press this out by 70. So click on the Presspull command, click on this circle, press pull out by 70, enter. Also click on the copy command and copy this, click from the center and drop it at the center of this as well. Okay, so again, use the Presspull command to press pull this circle by 10. So click on the Presspull command, click on the circle, press pull in by 10, enter. Also press pull this inwards by 10. Alright, exit this command. Okay, so let's see how it looks like in shade of gray. So click on this and click on shade of gray. Alright, so this is what I have now. Now the gap between these two counterweights is 70. So from here to here is 70, and the thickness of this counterweight is 30. So I'm going to move this, or rather make a copy of this and move it to the left by 100. That is 70 plus 30. So click on the copy command, click on this, enter, and copy to the left by 100. And exit this command. Okay. Okay, so I will now switch the view to right view. So come to the view panel, click and choose right. Okay. With the union command, I'm going to use union command to join this, and this. So click on the union command, click on this, and this. Also click on this, click on union command, and also join this, and this. Okay, move this one aside. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to create this chamfer here. So I'll click on the rectangle command and click at the corner point of this and draw a rectangle. That should be alright. So I'm going to mirror this rectangle to the left. So click on the modifier panel, click mirror, and locate the center. Click on this and locate the center of this object here, and mirror to the left, and enter. Okay, so I'm going to rotate these rectangles to an angle of 10 degrees. So click this, right click and choose rotate. Rotate from this point and enter 10 degrees. Also click on this, click on rotate, rotate from this point, and this time also enter minus 10 degrees. Okay, so now switch to isometric view. Okay, now I'm going to move these rectangles backwards to clear away from this. So click on the move command, click on this and this, and put them back. Alright. Now use the Presspull command to pull it across, to cut across this counterweight. Okay, so click on the Presspull command, click on this and pull, click on this as well and pull it out. Okay. Now use the solid subtract command to subtract this from the counterweight. So click on the solid subtract command, click on this, subtract this. So click on the solid subtract command, click on this, then subtract this. Okay. Now remove these rectangles. And return again back to right view. Okay, so I have now created this chamfer here, this and this. The distance from this point to this point is 100. Move this away from here. So click on the copy command and copy this and move by 200 to the right. So enter 200. Okay. So the gap in between now is 70. So again, I'm going to copy these two again and move it by 400 to the right. So highlight them again, click on copy and move 400 to the right. Enter. So I now have all the cranks ready. I now delete this and this. I now switch view to isometric view again. Okay. I'll remove all this. Click on this and copy from this point, center point, and drop it at this center. Also drop it at this center, and again drop it at this center. Okay. Enter this command. Okay, so I now move this, click on the move command, move this, hit the center, pick it from this point, and drop it at this center. Okay. Turn it around a little. Okay, so I'm now going to rotate the four middle ones by 180 degrees. That is this, and this. Rotate by 180 degrees. So before I do that, I have to change the UCLs. So click on this and change the UCLs. Alright, so now click on this 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holding these two. Right click and choose rotate. And locate the center, this circle, point, and enter 180 degrees. Okay. Alright. Okay, so let's come over here now. Okay, so now I have to draw this flange. The diameter here is 150. So click on the circle command and click on center diameter and draw a circle of diameter 150. Okay, so draw a line from the center. Draw a line of 60 units. Okay. Now draw a circle of 12 mm. 12. Okay, so now use the polar array command to array this circle. So come to the modify panel, click on polar array, click on this circle, look at the center, right click, choose items and enter 12 and exit this command. Okay, so print out this line Now use the Presspull command to pull out this with a distance of 35. So click on the Presspull command, click on this and pull back by 35. And execute this command. So again, with the fillet edge, I'm going to fillet the edge of this flange. So type F for fillet edge. Right click and choose a radius of 2. Right click, click on chain and fillet this and this and enter. Okay, so I will now move this flange and place it right here. So click on the move command, click on the flange and move from the center and put it at the center. Okay, now clean up this. Alright, so again I have to turn around to this other end. Okay, so I now have to draw these shafts. It is stepped. So I'm going to pull this out by 60. So click on the Presspull command, pull this out by 60. Okay. Now, here again, the diameter of this is 60 and the length is 50. So draw another circle from the center point here, enter a diameter of 60 and pull it out by 50. So click on the Presspull command and pull this out by 50. Okay. Now the length of this portion is 100 and the diameter is 40. So draw another circle from the center, draw a circle of 40 diameter, then pull it out by 100. Click on the Presspull command and pull out by 100. Okay, and exit this command. Okay, so I'll now use the union command to join them all. So click on the union command, highlight the whole of this, enter, then move it out and clean out the construction lines, and clean out these construction lines. Okay, so this is the crankshaft. Okay, so I'm now going to apply fillet edge on the sharp edges of this counterweight. So come over here, type F and enter fillet edge. Then right click, I'm going to choose a radius of 2, enter 2. Also right click and choose chain. Now apply fillet edge on these portions. Okay. Okay, so also have to apply fillet edge on this ones. I made the radius 1 this time. So to click on F, type fillet edge and choose a radius of 1. Enter. Apply radius of 1 on this on this, and enter. Okay. Okay, so let's now view it on realistic view. So come over to the view panel, click and choose realistic view. So this is a realistic view of the shaft, of the crankshaft. So you can now close this window. Alright, so these are crankshafts. So next, I'm now going to apply material on it. So come to the Visualize toolbar, click on Visualize, then click on the Materials toolbar. Okay, so here's the Materials panel. So I'm going to expand this. Click on this to expand the home page. Also click on this to expand the Autodesk library. And then choose the material I'm going to apply. So I'm going to choose metal. So expand this as well. Then choose steel. Then come over here and choose the steel I want. I'm going to choose this horned dark gray. So drag and drop on this. Okay, now close this materials window. Okay, so this is the crankshaft. Now I'm going to brighten it. So come to the sun status panel, click on sun status. Now adjust exposure settings, click on this and come over here to make the adjustment. Now turn on the environment light. Okay. Also turn on the background light, click on this. Okay. Now adjust the exposure. Adjust the exposure. Okay, this one looks okay. Alright. Adjust this one a little further. Okay, this looks okay. So let me choose the background color for it. So come over here and click on background. Then click on this, choose solid. Then click on this to choose the color. Let me choose the, click on this, enter. Click on this, okay. So here's the crankshaft. Let me close the window. So here's the crankshaft now completed. So thank you for watching and please do subscribe for more of my tutorials.